If you want to make your dream home, then see this video. In this video, you saw different types of beautiful front elevations in this video. That gives an idea to make your home. You saw different front elevations in this video. You choose that you like and make your dream home. Beautiful front elevations are here for those who want to make their home. It's give an idea that how you can make your dream home front elevation. If you like these, please comment. These are best elevations for you. Which one front elevation you like most? Please comment in the comment box. See the last one, which is very beautiful.